This one no problem now because there is more. Oh, mashallah. 1, 2, 3. And ayan, tatlo. Yan ang lalaki. Oh, one more.
Not enough, no. One is there up.
Eh?
I cannot go now. Enough this one.
Mashallah, there is too much coming. Oh.
Yeah,
Ayan,
this is now start to come now. No.
Yeah, oh. Oh. Ayun, oh. Mashallah.
I told you, I know.
So enough this one? 3 with 3 only enough?
Yeah.
Eh?
So much, very big now, this one.
Kaya wala turi?
This one, Tori, I want to cook for Appa. No, Appa, she wants to tell me, so late I want to make for her one time.
Sa yogi because after 2 days I will make also
I
something
cook
for.
myself when I give her.
Kyo. Salma kyo.
She say you cook.
Allah. This one is already ano na dar oh. This one is coming seeds.
Keep it for seeds.
This one is for seeds. Yan ang dami oh. Mashallah oh.
This one seeds you send for Rosa Babi, no, this one Tori here.
Ayan. Where is this one? Cannot see this really here. Why like that?
Really is there.
This
You cannot see no because shadow. No.
no. No good shadow.
No, for Jamila.
Which one?
Rosa Babi.
And this one also. Oh, ayan oh. Mashallah. Ayan, nag-ano na ang ampalaya, padami na ng padami. Tomato also darwigit no? Eh? Ayun oh, meron din dito sa baba oh. Oh. Saan na ba? Yan. Oh, ayun. Not good shadow. Kaya hindi masyado makita. Yan. Oh. Ito oh yan. Ayan oh yan. Oh. Hindi makita. Ayan oh. And then meron din dito sa baba. Ayan, saan na ba yun oh. We'll get also tomatoes because too much now tomatoes. And today I will cook this one, bitter gourd grilly with minced meat or keema. That's why we get today this grilly. Tomato no, we get also. We'll get also corn. No? When we will get this one there, apples?
Apples you get next week of this month.
Eh?
You go there, you get some tomato there, and I go from other side here.
Okay.
There is one more.
Where?
Oh,
This one or this one also This one also?
No, this is red now already. Keep for seeds. Enough?
Enough to.
What is it really? There is a story for Appa tomorrow. I get.
Kitne? How many?
This is 3.
Keep also 1 piece for me then. Or no problem after.
Eggplant you get.
Eggplant I will get. Where is eggplant here? Ito yung, ito malaki. Yan. Bismillah. Hirap guntingin. Yan. I have still one more there. So, I will get only 2. This one. Or what is more? Ha? Aha, you get no by self? Or I get? Ito kunin ko ito. Ayan. Oh. So green chilies also I get. Paprika. Oh, ayan mga talong. Where is big hair chilies here? Ayan oh, meron pa dito ang palaya pala oh. Oh. Ayun sa baba. Ito kunin ko. Ay. Ayan ang laki ng green chili or paprika yata ito. Oh, ay, naano na yung leaves oh. Pero kunin ko itong leaves. Ihalo ko sa ano, gulay. Ayan. Oh, napasama. Yan, may talong pa dito. Oh. Ayan, ano na naman oh. Ayan, ang palaya. Oh. Ayan oh, red. Kunin ko itong red kasi may ano ako, may lulutuin akong another recipe. Yan eh. Hirap naman kunin. Now we'll get corn also to cook in tawa where I'm cooking this chapati. It's like you make sangag. Sangag ba? How you call this one there when we are cooking in ano in tawa? This one corn.
Dana, no, that's punnas.
Punnas. Remove remove this dana. Dana means when this corn remove one by one. Then we have to cook in tawa flat pan which where I'm making chapati. Kumbaga ano sangag ba. Ayan ito. Ayan. Ito. Maliit. Pero okay na ito yung ano niya, laman niya. No need to get sponge guard after 2 to 3 days because my sister-in-law is asking. So, after this 1 2 to 3 days, then can be ready to get. Oh. Yan, meron din dito. Ha? Kune? Kune? Yung nakuha namin nila kayo. Sari-saring organic vegetables. Kaya akyat na ako kasi magnanamas and then magprepara ng ano, lulutuin. Ay, andito na kami. Oh, ayan oh. Ay, ito pa. Hiningal ako. Oh, dito na ako sa loob. We can put all this one. All. Ayan, buhos natin. And then I will arrange it. Ayan. Yan. So these are all I harvested today. As you can see, this bitter gourd, ang laki oh. Oh. Grabe, laki. Ayan. May nahulog na mansanas. And then cherry tomatoes. Ito yung kinuha namin nilakay. Ayan, talong, corns, dalawang pipino, coriander leaves, and paprika or green chilies. Ayan. Alhamdulillah for today. Libre na naman ang lulutuin.